With the holidays behind us, the fun, family, friends, and feasting all coming to an end, it's time for the January reset. And if you're like me, you might have gained an extra 5 to 10 pounds, and now you're wondering, how quickly can I get rid of this? As soon as January 1st is over, it's go time. So here are 3 simple hacks to pull off the holiday weight in a flash. Hack number 1, a 36-hour fast. Yes, this sounds much worse than it really is. You'll be sleeping for 16 hours of this fast, so really it's just 20 hours. See how much easier that sounds? Here's how to do it. So stop eating at 9 p.m., wake up and drink water with lemon in it or kombucha. Our Lifeboost powder works great for this because it cuts out the sugar normally found in kombucha drinks. Then move on to your morning coffee. During these days, I'll still drink my morning cup with collagen and MCT oil, or you can use Mito creamer, and I'll even add a splash of heavy cream. I'm not a purist in thinking that you can't have any calories at all, and if you drink your coffee black, then that works perfect as well. The goal is to get through the day without eating. In my humble opinion, I don't think drinking a small amount of calories will mess up your fast. I've been doing this way for a long time with great results. Now you can drink water until lunchtime. Then I'll drink a sipping bone broth for lunch. In the afternoon, I'll have another coffee with a splash of heavy cream, and then in the evening, I'll enjoy a sparkling water with lime or a Spindrift, which is a carbonated beverage that's very similar to that. So during the day, I'll also fit in 2 to 3 Fortigen essential amino acid drinks or another type of essential amino acid powder, and this gives me the equivalent of 100 grams of protein to build and repair my body. You can do these morning, afternoon, and before bed. Note, you will pee a lot, but you'll be flushing out your system. So go to bed and then wake up, repeat the first half, and you can start eating at 9 a.m. I like doing this once a week until I've hit my goal weight. So what are the benefits of fasting? The benefits of a 36-hour fast are numerous and can contribute to an individual's overall health and wellness. So here are some of the advantages associated with a 36-hour fast, often referred to as a monk fast. So extended lifespan and lower cancer risk. The 36-hour fast can potentially lead to an extended lifespan and a lower risk of cancer due to the significantly prolonged fasting window. And boosting immunity. Fasting for 36 hours can enhance your immune function, which is crucial for warding off diseases and infections. Metabolic alterations. A 36-hour fast once a week has been found to alter metabolism, which can support weight loss. This is achieved through 3 primary mechanisms: altering circadian biology, modifying the gut microbiome, and shifting modifiable lifestyle behaviors like sleep patterns and energy intake. So enhanced physical capacity. Engaging in a 36-hour fast can improve physical capacity and the ability to exercise for longer periods, which is beneficial for overall fitness and health. Reduced bad cholesterol levels. This type of fast plays a role in reducing bad cholesterol levels by decreasing triglyceride levels, which is important for cardiovascular health. Additionally, it increases the level of adiponectin, which has anti-plaquing properties that prevent clogging of arteries leading to high blood pressure. Weight loss and fat breakdown. This fast creates a calorie deficit, which forces the body to utilize stored fat resources for energy, leading to weight loss and fat breakdown. Gut health improvement. So the 36-hour fast promotes gut health by giving the gut bacteria a rest, which leads to their multiplication. A healthy gut is essential for optimal body functioning as it helps in food breakdown, vitamin production, and fighting diseases. These benefits can contribute to a person's overall wellness and could be a part of a healthy lifestyle when done correctly and under proper guidance. It's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before beginning any fasting regimen, especially prolonged fasts like the 36-hour fast, to ensure it's safe and appropriate for your individual health circumstances. Hack 2, intermittent fasting. Basically, this means to skip breakfast. A good rule of thumb is to fast for about 15 hours, and that includes sleeping, and have an 8-hour eating window. So if you stop eating at 9 p.m., you can start eating at noon. So I don't give up my coffee, and yes, I still add collagen, MCT oil, and a splash of heavy cream to my coffee. So do this 80% of the time. So when you have those big breakfast feasts, you don't have to feel guilty indulging. So on a side note, some people go through a prolonged transition period when not eating breakfast can make them feel hungry, irritable, lightheaded due to blood sugar fluctuations, etc. This is normal and may take a couple weeks to resolve. Whenever there are drastic changes to your diet, such as this, you'll have a period of adaptation. This does not typically mean that it won't work for you because you feel uncomfortable. It means that your body is figuring out how to adapt. So the benefits of intermittent fasting will be on the other side, right? So to help with this, add electrolyte drops like Everlow to your water or coffee, or use an electrolyte powder. Hack number 3, resistance training. If you aren't exercising, the step 1 is to start by simply walking. Movement is life, and the quality of life is 10x'd by not sitting all the time. I used to tell my patients, sitting for your spine is like Coca-Cola for your teeth. I will explain this as simply as I can and as blunt as I can. I don't want to beat around the bush. Resistance training is a must for a healthy life as we age. So what do I mean by resistance training? Resistance training equals building muscle. Building muscle equals faster fat burning, because the more muscle you develop, the more mitochondria you have, and mitochondria are the fat burning centers of your cells. Therefore, you want a lot of them. So this doesn't mean you need to be a bodybuilder. Far from it. And ladies, if you lift weights or do resistance training, you will not look like a female bodybuilder. Over the past 2 years, I found a resistance training hack that has changed my life, and I'm going to share it with you. It takes 15 minutes a day to do, and you train 4 to 6 days a week. So in 4 sessions of 15 minutes a week, you can completely transform your body. My joints also feel better. I'm currently 45 as of this article, and I've lifted heavy weights my entire life until 2 years ago. Well, I started when I was 16. My joints were hurting. Now I have 0 joint pain. So what is this secret hack? It's called the X3 bar, and it's created by Dr. John Jackwish. Now, it is a bit more on the expensive side, but it is 1,000% worth it if you use it. Everything that you need, including the workouts, are included. The workouts are super simple, and there are only 2 workouts with 4 exercises each workout. You then alternate them, so you'll be doing workouts 2 to 3 times a week. So this is a proven system that works. So no need to add your own stuff because you think you aren't doing enough. Simply just follow the program for 4 weeks and see for yourself. I'd also caution you against buying any type of knockoffs on Amazon or at the store. They complicate what Dr. Jackwish has created, and the quality that I've seen so far has been inferior. So this is the same advice that I give to my friends and family members as well. Saving a couple bucks to get something that isn't as effective is typically a recipe for mediocre results. So if you're serious about changing, then spend the money on yourself. You deserve it, right? So I wouldn't have made this my 3rd tip if it did not give me life-changing results. They even have an app that's easy to use, and you can track the results daily. So in conclusion, I just want you to know that I do all 3 of these tips on a consistent basis, and it has had a tremendous effect on my health. So try it out for 4 weeks, shoot us an email at support@lifeboostcoffee.com, and just let us know your results. I would love to hear it. And I hope these tips help you as much as they've helped me. Make it a great day.